Hello, I'm Leon Guerrero. I teach Guam History at Untalan Middle School. I'd like to welcome you to our open house. I've been teaching Guam History for the past 14 years. I like to tell my students that I am history, given my hair, the color of my hair, and how old I am. It's a fascinating class, and I'm sure our children find it quite interesting. I hope. Now, as far as our class, I conduct both online and face-to-face, which opens a lot of challenges. With the pandemic, we've had to make adjustments, serious adjustments, and I'm sure you're quite aware of all that is happening here. I can promise you this, that I will try to bring some relevance and excitement in the learning process of our history. As difficult as that may be, I find it very exciting and rewarding when I see the students' faces light up. Now, as far as grading and as far as the assignments, what I would hope that the students continue to do the work diligently, and I expect that their work products are submitted in a timely basis. So what I ask is, as a parent myself, and I'm asking all my parents here, if they would continue to encourage students to stay with the schedule and also submit their work in a timely fashion. That way, teaching can go on and learning can go on. With your help, I think this year will be successful. Sudus Masi, and thank you and welcome to Untalan Middle School.